Hi everyone, this is Margot and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook a very quick, delicious potato dish. I have the pan is hot of oil. I cut the potato in a very thin slice, as you guys can see, like this. So I have onions, jalapeno, and tomato. First I'm gonna add the onion. Alright, so the onions is brown. I had to change the pan because I don't know what happened to that. It wasn't working right, so I transfer the onion to another pan. Anyways, now it's time to add some garlic, ginger and garlic. You stir it very well, maybe 30 seconds, like so. And then now I'm going to go ahead and add the jalapeno, tomato, cook while it's cooking. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this spice. So what I have in here is salt, cumin seed, coriander powder, turmeric for coloring and for the taste, red chili powder, and this is for the coloring too. This is paprika. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of this while the tomato is cooking. Stir it very well. So I add the potatoes. Stir it very well. Just gonna let this cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Really good. I add to jalapeno as well. If you put the jalapeno like this, it's not gonna make the dish spicy. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I plate. So what I'm gonna do is right now is what I have in here. Here you go. I have yogurt. I put salt, as you guys can see, and one garlic. So what I do is I mix this all these three ingredients together. I add a little bit of water. So this is ready. The potato dish is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to plate this. I add some of this yogurt. So you put some of this. Add the potato. It looks very good and delicious. In the future, if you would like to try cook the way that I cook today, you're going to fall in love with it because it's gonna taste really good. Okay, it's a very delicious recipe. I hope you guys like this. So I hope you guys like my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Share it with your family and friends. If you like it, give a comment. See you guys soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.